Have you ever wondered how to grow fragrant flowers and herbs right at home? Welcome to the enchanting world of home gardening. Experience the joy of nurturing your own blossoms, filling your space with lavish scents. In just a few simple steps, you too can transform your living space into a fragrant paradise. The first step is choosing the right plants. To fill your garden with intoxicating scents, consider a variety of fragrant flowers and herbs. Roses, jasmine, lavender, and mint are just a few delightful options. But don't just pick on a whim. Take into account your climate, the space you have available, and your own personal preferences. For instance, do you prefer sweet scents or spicy ones, big blooms or small delicate flowers? Remember, the right plant choice will set you up for success. Once you've chosen your plants, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by planting each seedling at the correct depth, usually twice the diameter of the root ball. Water regularly, but don't overdo it. Too much water can harm your plants. Ensure they get enough sunlight, as most fragrant flowers and herbs love the sun. Keep an eye out for pests and deal with them promptly. Remember, every plant has its own needs, so research each one. With proper care, your plants will reward you with a delightful fragrance. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for: harvesting and enjoying your fragrant plants. The best time to harvest is in the early morning or late evening, when the plant's natural oils are at their peak. Gently clip flowers and herbs, taking care not to damage the plant. Once harvested, these fragrant beauties can serve multiple purposes. Adorn your home with floral arrangements, add flavor to your meals with fresh herbs, or create natural air fresheners. Now you can enjoy the fruits of your labor and the wonderful scents that come with it. Growing fragrant flowers and herbs at home is easier than you might think. We've explored choosing the right plants, how to care for them, and the joy of harvesting. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!